Any effect?
It doesn't affect you, but it affects me.
When to use affect and effect can be confusing. Affect, a verb, means to change something. A affects B. For example, sitting for a long time can poorly affect your health. The sun affects the temperature of the pool. Effect, a noun, is a result of something changing. For example, gaining weight is an effect of his medication. Only kryptonite has an effect on Superman. So remember, affect means to influence or change something, while effect is the outcome of that change. Can you make a sentence with these words? Write it in the comments.